Hello my friends, welcome to another video on stoichiometry. In this one we are going to check out how to find out the empirical formula of the compound. So in this example they have given percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So percentage of carbon they have mentioned here is 34.61%. Hydrogen it is 3.85% and oxygen they have given 61.54%. So step number 1 is, here you can write down all the three elements which they have given: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. First step is write down the percentage in gram. So if it is given 34.61%, I can write it as a 34.61 gram. Similarly for hydrogen and oxygen. Step number 2, find out the number of mole. So number of mole is mass given divided by its atomic mass. So 34.61 divided by 12, which is the atomic mass of carbon. Same you can find out for hydrogen, its atomic mass is 1, oxygen which is 16. Now when you divide it, you will get the answer 2.88, 3.85 and 3.84. Now the next step is very important. Out of all the three number of moles, the one which is least, for example 2.88 is the lowest. So you divide all the three number of mole by 2.88. So you are getting here 1.33 and 1.33. Now this is the last step, and here you have to convert, because this is a decimal number, please convert it into whole number by multiplying some whole number. For example, if in all the three, if I will multiply by 3, so I am getting here 4. In this way I am converting this decimal number 1.33 into whole number. So that's why here I am getting carbon which is 3. You can check out here, carbon I am getting 3, hydrogen which is coming 4 and oxygen it is again coming 4. So C3H4O4. This is the empirical formula. And in the second one they are asking, if you want to find out the molecular formula of the compound, what is required for that? What additional information you require? So in that case you need molecular mass. So if in your paper they have given key find out the molecular formula, then I am 100% sure they will give you molecular mass of that compound. Okay, so thank you so much. Hope you like or you understood this concept. Thank you so much.